Why do I post videos of useless setups? Hey traders, warm welcome to you. So, this one is a bit of a different video. I get loads of great feedback from you guys. I get loads of good questions, good comments that kind of make me think and go off and produce more content for you, comments that make me think about how people are perceiving stuff, comments that are pretty brutal and just unnecessary, a real mixture. And I appreciate, all your guys' feedback, and definitely appreciate your subscription. And one of the questions, which has come up quite a few times actually, and I think it's on me this for not really explaining the reasons for doing these videos. Why am I posting videos of useless setups? And this is common. I get a few of this each time. These setups are rubbish, a waste of time. And if you're new to the channel, you probably go back and see there's a selection of videos to talk about trading setups, do some screen-based stuff and what have you. If you're a subscriber, you've probably watched them yourself, and you may have watched them and gone, you know what? That's not really a great setup. That doesn't really work for me. Or maybe other videos you've gone, you know what? That's a great idea. The reason I post some of these setups, and let's just put it into two categories here. One, on the whiteboard often I'm talking about my favorite setups like bull flags. I'm talking about these little range break fakes that are just my bread and butter stuff that I love to take, the unexpected response, all that. You can go and check those out. And I've been quite clear and said, hey, this is my stuff that I like to do. Now, when we talk about setups, I've gone through and I've done research on other people's setups and I share them with you. And very often it's stuff like, it's very indicator heavy. I'm not huge into indicators, as you long-term subscribers know. I'm not like a massive fan, but I'll use them as a tool when I feel they're going to be effective. But when I share setups, we have like this scenario, and I'll say there's a moving average and people are saying cross it there, add a stochastic in, whatever it may be, and I'll share the rules with you. Now, I'm not saying that these setups should be followed to the T and should be used. They're probably not profitable strategies on their own. And it's my fault for I'm not making this clear. The reason I share these setups with you and the reason I scour the land for setups and different things is that it's not that you take it and you follow it. It's that you take the ideas in it and go, how can that integrate with my current setup, strategy, method, approach? You might go through 10 of these that are talking about, how you capture this, how you capture that, what moving averages to use. And you know that if they're tested just on that, they're probably not going to be effective. But the point is, you can then say, I hadn't thought of the concept of filtering out my successful momentum trades, or whatever they are for you, by using this concept on a higher time frame to then use on a lower time frame, or whatever it may be. So those of you guys who are getting really angry and saying, these setups are useless, they are on their own. They're not designed to go out there and just copy on their own. They're designed to plant a seed in you for you to go out and do some work. You can't be given, hey, this is the money machine. Here you go, off you go and do it. Even the stuff that works very, very well, you still have to add your own flavor to it because it's all about the psychology mix. So take them as either a seed you can grow or discard them. I'm fully aware, and by the way guys, I do exactly this. I watch people's videos, I will read people's books, and you know what it's like. 80% of it you're like, what, I'm not interested in that. But there's 20% that you can use, and that's how I expect you guys to use these videos. A lot of them you're going to look at and you go, you know what, I don't agree with that. That's a rubbish video. I'm not interested in that. It doesn't resonate with me, and that's cool. It's the little 1 or 2 videos where you go, that has hit a nail with me. That's really hit. I really get that. I understand it. The concept's good. I'm going to use that as fuel to drive myself forward. That is what it's about. It's not about taking every single thing and going, yes, 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 yes. Because that's not how I consume content. That's not how I do my own research. That's not how I learn. And I know that's not how people do it. So these setups that we do, and there's loads and there's a big library of them, go and check them out when you've got spare time and you want some kind of inspiration to find something new. It's to inspire and plant a seed of growing your own setup. So let's say you were in a trending environment, you go, you know what, I'm doing well in a trending environment, but I want to do better at capturing trends. So you go and you look at setups that say, hey, this is a trend trade setup, this is that setup, And the majority of it will be like, you know what, that doesn't make any sense at all. I don't want to use all these moving averages. I don't want to use these Bollinger Bands. I don't want to use this, don't want to use that. However, I quite like the idea of waiting until a certain time of day. And you take that little nugget and then you bolt it into your setup. Then you watch another one and it says, oh, what about if I filter on a higher time frame, making sure I'm oversold on this or whatever? Ah, that's handy. And then you frame your own. No one's expecting you to go and take these setups and bolt them in and go ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. It doesn't work like that, guys. It's about hopefully getting something from some of the videos, making your own mold, and then going bang, a massive leap forward, taking stock of the situation, another leap forward. Same with the psychology videos we do on the channel. Same with all the kind of stuff. A lot of it you're going to think it doesn't apply to me, but if you can get one useful nugget that you can use and grow and make into something useful, then that is what will give you the leaps forward. So I appreciate all feedback, guys. Honestly, I do. Comments, I get to some of them. Questions, I get to as many as I can. Emails, you know, same kind of thing. It's much appreciated. And if you feel like hammering me with negative stuff, that's cool as well. You know, we've all got our own journey to make. But just to clarify, this is why we do these setup videos. This is why they're there. It's not a here's money. It's an idea, and I don't expect you to go, yeah, they're great. I expect you to go, yeah, okay, I know they're not on standalone going to work or unlikely to work. Maybe they work under the right conditions, but maybe I'll take bits of it and craft my own one, which is why I often talk about, hey, this needs some more thought, this needs some more investigation. If you watch the videos, you know I say, and I'm open-minded. You know, we've done stuff on moons, we've done stuff on all sorts of stuff, and to me, if I might discard most of it, but then I might build it into something more, and then add more bits to it, and then I share those with you on whiteboard videos. I talk about momentum, I talk about these things and that, and so that's what it's about, guys. And by the way, subscribers, yeah, appreciate your support. You know, with your help, the channel is growing and growing and growing. Hopefully we can just provide more content, more value, see what you guys like, see what helps all of us to become better traders wherever we're trading. £100 pot or £100 million pot, we're all trying to achieve more and become better traders. So good trading, guys. Finally, I say it again, appreciate your support. Thank you for a subscription. If you haven't subscribed, maybe this will give you inspiration to subscribe. A thumbs up if you appreciate this kind of stuff as well. And take care. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.